Hey everyone, and welcome back. Recently I hit a small milestone of my first 1,000 followers on Instagram, so I wanted to make a celebratory video as well as share appreciation towards my Instagram followers.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
So this video will be less about me and more about my followers and their content. So I randomly selected around 50 accounts through my followers and picked a piece from each account that either I liked a lot or I found really interesting and cool, and then basically highlight it in this video. So we'll go through 50 accounts highlighting 50 interesting and cool dynamic art styles. Now, all the work featured in this video will not be just Photoshop edit styles. A good bit of them will be various type of art formats such as photography, vector art, paintings, and many other styles. I think it's a good idea to always surround yourself with different art styles because they could add different perspectives and creative ideas that could help inspire you with your own projects and maybe make something unique and different and improve your own skill set by having those different perspectives. And regardless of any style of art, I feel that to be good in any art style, it truly takes skill and a lot of consistent effort. So I have a lot of respect for all of the different types of art formats. So I feel like they all need to be highlighted and just more appreciated in general. And if you like the concept of this video, I may try and make it into a series. That way I could continue sharing my gratitude towards followers, as well as just highlighting their awesome creations from Instagram, and just in hopes of creating more of a community engagement on the channel as well as the Instagram art community. Lastly, and most of all, I just want to say thank you again to all my followers for your support throughout my growth on the channel and everything. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you in the next one.